Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For the people that are new to my channel, hi, I'm Tasha, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to obtain this cute sleek ponytail using braiding hair. I'll be leaving all the products I used in the description box. If you have any questions or comments, please be sure to leave them down below. And if you enjoy the video, please give this video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.
I'm firstly going to be parting off this section of hair that I will be using for the braid. I'm going to be applying a generous amount of Moroccan argan oil to the section of hair I will be using for the braid. I will now add Moroccan argan oil to the rest of my hair. Then I will be spraying it with a little bit of water and then start detangling it so that it can become as smooth and as sleek as possible. I will now take the back section of my hair and tie it up into a ponytail, and then I will be sectioning off the piece of hair that I will be using for my bang. I will now be applying some more argan oil to my hair. Then I will apply some VIDA molding gel to ensure that my hair becomes as slick as possible and that it lays flat. Now I will brush the hair up and tie it into a ponytail. You want to make sure that your bun is as small as it could possibly be. I braided a piece of braiding hair so that the ponytail could have a wavy texture. When done loosening the braid, you're going to take the scrunchie and wrap it around your bun 2 times. Thereafter, you're going to take individual sections and separate it so that the ponytail could have more volume. Now add this little braid to the ponytail. I will use a bobby pin on the front to add it. Wrap it around 3 times and put a bobby pin at the back. I did my edges off camera, but I will be linking a video in the description if you want to see how I do my edges. I will now flat iron my bang. And here's the final look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.